I'm a happily married man and a father of one, and I really love my wife and daughter. The thing is, nekuoma kwaita Zimbabwe, every day on my way to work, ndotakura vanhu mumota yangu vanenge vachienda kutown, then ndovabhadharisa kuti ndiwane yekuwedzerawo fuel. So by that pakaita mumwe musikana akaita regular, because time dzandaibuda ndaimutakura. So she came to me with an idea yokuti, what if she pays me monthly ndomutakura, and it was good, and I accepted, meaning the contract was to carry her every day to and from work. Since we had struck a deal, we exchanged phone numbers, and whenever she was not going to work or running late, she would phone or text me as we go on. So since we had each other's phone numbers, we could see each other's WhatsApp statuses, and by so doing, at some point, we could comment and laugh funny statuses, or even kukumbirana, and maybe would re-laugh it over takuenda kubasa, or kudzoka kumba. Mother's seat ndopa ainge akugara, and ndikatakura vanhu, ndiye anga akukolekta mari, otondipa. So we kept things like that for months, and I started to notice a drastic change in attitude ainge akuita kakundijairira so. At some point kundishedza nezita, nekuti she had it one day pa roadblock. Ndasangana this police guy wandakadzidza naye, ndikangoti ameno. One weekend, since we were off, akandifonera achichema kuti kumusha kwavo kwaMutare kwaita funeral, so they wanted to hire my other car since it was a pickup. And I asked whether vaiva nadriver, but akashaikwa, meaning I had to drive them myself. Semunhu ainge ajairana neni, akangoita zvaanga ajaira, kugara kufront side kwandanga ndiri. And hama dzake dzakabva dzatanga kususpecta, and they started calling me bamnini, tete vake vachitonditi muzukuru, and I ended up ndakungodaira. Takasvika kumusha kwavo, and we unpacked grocery necoffin zvavainge vatenga, and it was late. Then they asked me to stay up to after the burial, because pane vainge vachida kutakurwa, and she will pay me. I told her not to pay me since it was just my way, and had nothing much to lose. The following week, takubasa, akanditenda, and we just started flirting, and andizive kuti how did I develop feelings for her. And then I told her, akatoti iye akatanga kuva nema feelings for me kare. But as a lady, she didn't have the guts to tell me. That point we dated for just a week, and ndainge ndakugara nengo yangu yakamira whenever talking to her. So semunhu mukuru, I just surprised her one Sunday morning by knocking at her door, of which hatina kumbobva tambotaura zvesex. Then she was happy, and because of what we felt for each other, we ended up having sex without protection. To tell the truth, I remember her telling me to wait, but I couldn't, and akangovhara maziso ake nemaoko. Time pandakapinza nhengo yangu maari, and mwana ainaka ake yeye. Tapedza, I felt guilty and quickly left, and suddenly the following morning, akangondudza kuti vane staff transport and no longer requires my services. And she started avoiding me. Even ndikafona or kutexta, she could get back to me later with an excuse. About 5 months down the line, ndakatanga kungorwara, and I went to the hospital. And the nurse there advised me to go for HIV tests. Ini semunhu asingaite musikanzwa, I went for the test with confidence. Ndopandakapererwa when I was told that I'm positive. I started to think about my family, obviously my wife. I had infected her, and I quickly remembered that lady. Ndikanomutsvaga and got hold of her, only to tell me kuti paye pandai kuti mira ndozvandaida kukuudza. But it happened so fast that I couldn't control myself, also semunhu wandaida. Now chaakundidya moyo, it's 2 weeks ndatestwa, and I don't know how to break it to my wife. Rather, I'm thinking of committing suicide hangu zvipere. Uyu, she apologized and said she loved me. That's why she's avoiding me and is willing to help me apologize kuna madam if it requires to do so. Nai guys, ndoitawo sei kuti ndibatsirikane panyaya iyi. Ndoudzawo Seyi Mukadzi wangu kuti izvi ndizvo zvandakasangana nazvo, and kuti ndimuzivisewo kuti naiyewo ave HIV positive.